Hello, the purpose of this video tutorial is to demonstrate how to perform a voicemail drop. If you have answering machine detection off, agents will be able to manually drop a voicemail when they hear an answering machine. To do this, go to the main menu and under the Campaigns heading, select Campaigns Main and choose the campaign that you'd like to set up the voicemail drop and select Modify. Scroll down to the bottom where you will see the answering machine, voicemail, and IVR section. As you can see here, I have answering machine detection off. Make sure you have the proper file uploaded in the audio store before doing this step. If you need help on doing this, please see the video called Audio Store Uploads. So go to the field labeled Answering Machine Message, and here you will insert your audio for your voicemail drop. To do this, click Audio Chooser, and you will see the available audio files that you previously uploaded into the audio store. You can also play them here to ensure that you are selecting the correct file. The newest upload is at the top. So go ahead and select the file for your voicemail drop by clicking on the file name and then save your changes by clicking on the green button. Now I'll show you what the agent does on their end once that is set up. To do this, I will make a manual call. However, the voicemail drop will work when answering machine detection is off in manual or ratio mode. So the agent will hear the phone ringing, and once they hear the answering machine, they would click Transfer, and then they would click on the envelope button at the end of the answering machine or voicemail message, which is usually after a beep. So the customer will now have a voicemail message waiting to be heard. And that is how you set up a voicemail drop.